Hello, it's Simon from Duffels, and here we have a Legge 5-lever sash lock. This model is the 642 SVPB in brass. Let's open the box and see what we've got. We've got some fitting instructions with a template to make it easier to fit. We have got a brass front plate with a protective cover. We've got a brass keep. We've got some brass fixing screws. We have got 2 keys, and we have got the lock. Let's have a closer look at this. And let's take some measurements. The faceplate is 165 millimeters by 25 millimeters. The keep is 177 millimeters by 29 millimeters. The front end is 165 millimeters with a case width to the front of 64 millimeters and a back set of 45 millimeters. Thank you very much.